Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is HKL here. You must be wondering what the hell am I doing today. Basically I'm going to share with you and to test out something and see whether this could be the cheapest way of cleaning your IQOS device or not. I got this from the supermarket. This is costing me what, 7 ringgit. Alright, this is some cheapo brandy with 38% alcohol. If you could see that, 38% alcohol. Alright, I want to put it to a test and see whether it cleans as good as the lemon extract or not, which I have been using all this while. Okay, so far it is okay. This is the lemon extract that I've been using all this while. All right, and of course the cleaning liquid. All right, so today just to share with you guys, maybe is that you are outstation, you are somewhere else, and you try to find you run out of your lemon extract or you run out of your alcohol cleaning liquid. You may try this method lah. So I'm not saying that this is the most effective method, but I haven't tried, so I'm now putting it to try and see how good it works lah. Okay, I just now open up to smell, very strong smell, the whiskey or the brandy smell. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit. Okay, let me try with this one. No battery already, so yeah, wait, let me get my tissue first. Okay, yeah, you can see, hold on, you can see that there's a stain there. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, there's a stain there. All right, let me try and clean it off and see whether it will be cleaned off or not. Okay, but don't forget your blade protector. I don't want you to break your blade and all this. So yeah, let me just dip it in and try. Okay, I don't know if it works better than the lemon extract or whatever or not, but this is sort of like, my friend was telling me you can use this to clean, so I was telling you don't bullshit lah, where can use brandy one, but try lah. No guarantee, but we can just try. Looks like it's coming off, but maybe I use this one as the blade scrubber. Looks like it's coming off, maybe working. There, you see getting dirty. Not bad, Okay, have a look. The stain actually reduced. Alright, this is just only like a little bit only. The stain actually reduced, if you can see. Alright, you gotta spend a little bit more time to, a little bit more time and a little bit more patient to actually clean it. Okay, so yeah, let's focus. There's still a little bit of stain there, so yeah. Okay, so yes, this one kind of work. Anyway, I'm not gonna drink this brandy. Let me pour this back. Okay, so it kinds of work, but I don't know about any aftertaste. There's no, it smells a little bit like whiskey, so yeah, maybe those who are whiskey drinker or brandy drinker, any alcohol drinker, you can try this method, but no guarantee. I just tried on one time only with this. All right, so no guarantee it's gonna work, but yeah, it may be the cheapest lah, 7 ringgit only. Okay, if you're outstation, if you are in wherever Thailand, and you need to clean, and then you run out of the cleaning liquid or whatever, the lemon extract or the IQOS swab, and you need to clean it urgently because there's no taste already. Okay lah, you just go to the supermarket and get yourself a cheap ass brand of brandy, whiskey, whatever, and you can clean it. Okay, this one, no worries. All right, you can try out this method. If it works, good. If it doesn't, don't blame me for it. By the way, non-halal. So my dear Muslim friends, please do not try this at home. All right, please do not try this anywhere else as well. Okay, I'm not promoting alcoholic beverage. It's just that it can work lah. All right, thanks. I'll catch you in the next one. As you can see, I have a few devices here. I'm now currently reviewing on these 2 devices. I have reviewed this already. Maybe catch me in my next video to see on the 2 devices or any other news. All right, please do not forget to click here for more videos and click here to subscribe. All right, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.